Welcome all students. Last week we have discussed about the BIDMAS operation. Today we are going to discuss about the estimation of numbers. What is that estimation of numbers? Please listen here. Rounding off is one way to find a number for estimation that is quite convenient. It gives us the closest number according to a given place value. Yeah. Once again, rounding off is one way to find a number for estimation that is quite convenient. It gives us the closest suitable number according to a given place value. Estimation is approximating a quantity to a reasonable accuracy. Estimation is approximating a quantity to a reasonable accuracy. Okay. The next, rounding of a number to the nearest 10. What is that rounding of a number to the nearest tens? First point, for rounding of a number to the nearest tens, we examine the digits at ones place. For rounding of a number to the nearest tens, we examine the digit at ones place. If the digit at ones place is less than 5, this is very important line. If the digit at ones place is less than 5, then replace the ones digit by 0. Suppose if the digit of ones place is less than 5, then replace the ones digit by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. Example, we rounding off 64 as 16. Okay, suppose if it see that ones place, here the ones place is less than 5, so you just change it as 0. Okay, this is the point. If the digit at ones place is less than 5, then replace the ones digit by 0. Okay, we rounding off the 64 as 16. Suppose if it is greater than 5, what will we do? See, if the digit at ones place is 5 or more, then replace the ones digit by 0 and increase tens digit by 1. If the digit at ones place is 5 or more, then replace the ones digit by 0 and increase tens digit by 1. Example, we rounding off 67 as 70. We rounding off 67 as 70. So once again I repeat this point. If the digit at ones place is 5 or more, then replace the ones digit by 0 and increase tens digit by 1. See, here we rounding off 67. So 7 is greater than 5. So let me write that nearest 10. So we can write it as 70. Okay. So let me see the other examples also. So now we are going to see some examples, that is round off these numbers. Round off these numbers to the nearest thousand. To the nearest thousands. I will give two sums, that is 5, 6, 4, 7. You have to round off this number as nearest thousand. Okay. So this is 5, 6, 4, 7. Okay. So here the thousand place. See this thousand place. It is 5. Isn't it? So the number is 5. Then you have to find out the next digit, that is before digit. Okay. So you just see that hundreds place. 100 place is greater than 5. 100 place is greater than 5. Yeah. So you have to add 1 plus 5. Adding 1 to 5, that is 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So changing the number, that is the thousand place, you have to change this thousand place. Okay. So for that you have to add 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay. So changing the number of 6. Then Therefore the required rounded number 5647 is 6000. See, your other numbers you can write it as 0. Then you have to add this 5 plus 1. So 6. So 5647. We can easily say that this is 5647. It is greater than 5500 and also it is nearest to 6000. Isn't it? So you can write it this 5647 as 6000. Okay. So this is suppose if it is like this 5467, how will you write this? So here the 100 place also 0. So this 100 place also smaller than 5. Okay. So you have to rounded this number. Rounded number is 5000 because it is less than 5500. It is less than 5500. That is, it is less than 5. So you take it this number as 5000, rounded number as 5000. Okay. Let me see another example also. Let me see that another example, that is 6575. That is 6575. You have to change it nearest 1000. Okay, nearest 1000. Okay, so see that hundreds place. So this is equal to 5. That is greater than or equal to 5. Okay, so you take it this 6 plus 1 as 7. Take this 6 plus 1 because the 100 place is greater than, the 100 place is greater than or equal to 5. So you have to add one number, that is you have to add 1 in the 1000 place. Okay, so then adding, then changing the digit to the right of 7. Right of 7. Therefore the required rounded number 6575 is 7000. See, it is 6575, it is greater than 6500. So you take it this as 7000 as a rounded figure. Okay. Then we will see on one more examples. Okay. Round off the following number. Round off the following number. Following number nearest to the nearest 10. To the nearest 10. See, this is very, very important. What they ask, it is nearest 10. Here, before sum, they ask nearest 1000, isn't it? But here they ask nearest 10. Okay. So I will take first number as 57. So nearest 10 means this is ones place and this is tens place. You have to change this as nearest 10, isn't it? So see the ones place. It is greater than 5. It is greater than 5. So you have to add plus 1 here. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 60. Therefore rounded number as, so 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Yeah. 5 plus 1 is 6. This is tens place. 5 plus 1 is 6. So rounded number is 60. Okay, because it is nearest to 60. Okay. Yeah. So this is the answer. Next one is second one, 189. 189. So this is ones place value. This is tens place value. This is hundreds place value. Okay. So we have to convert round off this tens place value alone. Okay. So see the ninth place. This is also greater than 5. Isn't it? Ones place means that is 9. So it is greater than 5. So you have to add this 8 plus 1. What is that? 9. 8 plus 1, 9. Therefore, the required round off number, of 189 is 190. 190. Okay. Then one more example. 3956. So this is ones place value, this is tens place value, this is 100 place value, and this is 1000 place value. Again, you have to round off this tens place value alone. So see this ones place value. See this ones place value. It is greater than 5. So you have to add 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Then how will you change this? So therefore, 5 plus 1, 6. Yeah. So the required round off number, round off of 3956 is 3960. Okay. Then one more example. 57312. Okay. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is 100, this is 1000, and this is 10,000. Isn't it? So you have to round off this tens place alone. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. See the ones place. It is lesser than 5. It is lesser than 5. Then what will you do this? How will you do this? Yeah? Leaving the number. Therefore, leaving the number to as it is changing as 0. It is changing to 0. Therefore, the rounded number, therefore the round off number is 5731. The ones place will becomes 0. This 2 becomes 0. So 57,310. So this is the nearest. Okay. Yeah. So then we will. Okay. Let me see the exercise 1.4. Exercise 1.4. First one, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one, the nearest 100 of 843 is. Nearest 100 of 843. Nearest 100 means this is the hundreds place. See the tens place, that is 4. It is less than 5. It is less than 5. So you have to take it the nearest, that is before near 10. Yeah. So take answer is 800. Okay, because it is that one, the tens place value is less than, the tens place value is less than 5. So you take it as 800. Okay. The next one is the nearest 1000 of 756 is. The nearest 1000 of 756. Here please check it, where is the 1000 place? There is no 1000 place. It is 756 only. Then how will you write this? So 756 is greater than, that is 5, greater than 500. No. So you take it, this 756, the nearest 1000 is the 1000. Okay, because there is no 1000 place, and also it is more than 500. The 756 is nothing but it is more than 500. So you take it this as 1000. Okay. Yeah. The next one, the nearest 10,000 of 85,654 is dash. The nearest 10,000 of 85,654 is. So the nearest 10,000 means this is 10,000 place. So you check it in the 1000 place. It is also greater than or equal to whatever it is. So greater than or equal to 5. So you take it this 85,654 as 90,000. Because you have to add this 8 plus 1 is 9. Yeah, other numbers will become 0. The answer will be 90,000. Okay. Yeah. Then second one, say true or false. Say true or false. Say true or false. The first one is 8567 is rounded off as 8600 to the nearest 10. Nearest 10. 8567 is rounded off as 8600 to the nearest 10. See, nearest 10 means here, but here the ones place is 7. 7 is greater than 5, but we can write it as 8570 only. This is not the right one. That is 8600 is not a right one. Yeah. So nearest 10 means 8570. So the answer is false. Answer is false. Then second one, 139 is rounded off as 100 to the nearest 100. Nearest 100. 139 is rounded off as 100 to the nearest 100. See, here the 100 place value is 1, and the next you have to check it in the tens place. This is also less than 5. So you take it this as 100. So this one is true. What is this? This one is true. Okay. Yeah. The next one is third question. 1 crore 70 lakhs 51,972 is rounded off as 1 crore 70 lakhs to the nearest lakh. So 1 crore 70 lakhs 51,972 is rounded off as 1 crore 70 lakhs to the nearest lakh. Is this true? No. This is one false. So lakhs means here you have to take it this as 1 crore 70,000 70 lakhs 51,972. How will you write it this as 1 crore 70 lakhs? It is greater than 50,000. No. Here, see this. Here is 50,000, more than 50,000. So for 50,000, no. So you can't write it as 1 crore 70,000. So this one is false. Okay. Then third one, rounding off the following to the given nearest number. Nearest place. The first one is 4,065. 4,065 100 place. 4,065 100 place. Okay. Here 4,065. See this 100 place. That one is 0. Okay. Then take this tens place. It is more greater than 5. Yeah. So you take it this 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, the round off number of 4,065 is 4,100. Yeah. Once again I repeat, 4,065 you have to take this 100 as a nearest 100. So 4,065 here the 100 place is 0. See the tens place. Tens place is greater than 5. So you take it this 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Yeah. Then 4 as it is. 0 plus 1 is 1. Other numbers will become 0. So the round off of 4065 is nothing but 4100. Okay. Then second question, 44,555,000 place. Yeah. So 44,555. Here the 1000 place is 4. So see this hundreds place. What is this? It is lesser than or equal to 5 is equal to 5. Okay. So you have to add 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Therefore, the required round off of 44,555 is 45,000. This is 45,000. So here the 1000 place is 4. See the hundreds place, it is equal to or greater than 5. It is equal to 5. So take it this 1000 place plus 1. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Other things will become 0. So 45,000. Okay. Then third question is 86,945 10,000. 10,000. So here 86,945. So this is the 10,000 place. See this 1000 place. See it is greater than 5. Yeah, am I right? Yeah, greater than 5. So you take this 10,000 place plus 1. So the answer will be 9. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Therefore, other things will become 0. No. Yeah, this 8 change it as 9. So other numbers will become 0. Therefore, the required round off of 86,943 is 90,000. 90,000. Okay. Then next question. 50 lakhs 81,739 lakhs. You have to change it this nearest lakh. Okay. So 50 lakhs 81,739. Okay. So the lakhs place is 0. Here the lakhs place is 0. See the 10,000 place. See the 10,000 place, it is greater than 5. Isn't it? So you have to add this 0 plus 1. The answer will be 1. Then other things will be 0. So 5 as it is 5. The 0 becomes 1. Then other things, this 8 becomes 0, 1 becomes 0, other things becomes 0. Therefore, the required round off of 50 lakhs 81,739 is 51 lakh. Yeah. Okay. Next, fifth question. 33 crore 75 lakh 98,482. 10 crore. You change it this 10 crore. Okay, nearest 10 crore. Okay. So where is the 10 crore? Where is the crore place? Here is the crore place. Isn't it? Here is the this is 10 lakh. This is 10 crore. No, 10 crore. So 10 crore place is 3. So 10 crore place, there is no changes. 33 crore, 75 lakhs, 98,482. Okay. The crore place also is 3. 10 crore place is 3 and crore place is also 3. It is less than 5, isn't it? Yeah. So you have to take it this as other things are the required round off of 33 crore 75 lakh 98,482 is 33 crore. Because it is less than, the crore place is less than 5. So you take as it is, remains the same. Isn't it? So 33 crore. Sorry, this is not 33 crore. This is 30 crore. Okay, this is 30 crore. So the required round off of 33 crore, 75 lakhs, 98,482 is 30 crore. Okay, do you understand this, ma? Because here, see, once again I repeat this. Once again I repeat this. Because here is the 10 crore place. See, once again, this is 10 crore place. This is the number is 3. See the crore place, that also 3. Yeah, so it is lesser than 5. So the number remains same. There is no changes. And also the crore place is lesser than 5. So you take it this 33, this 3 as 3, then other number will become 0. So 30 crore. 30 crore. This is the answer. So 33 crore 75 lakh 98,482 is the round off of 30 crore. Now, do you understand, ma? Okay, you just copy in your classwork note. And next week we will continue the same exercise. Thank you, children.